Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and a little bit of a crash update on Jasmy. Wanted to make an update because I know that a lot of you are still interested in Jasmy, still trading it, still looking for moments to DCA into Jasmy. So I just wanted to cover it. We hit quite a major support level right here, around half a cent. As you can see, technically that's a strong level. But altogether, I mean, the main thing everybody sees, of course, is that we have been in a major downtrend since the 17th of February, technically, but practically we really started it the 20th of February. I've been in that downtrend. It's been quite steep and strong. So main question is will that continue, or is half a cent strong enough to actually hold us for a little bit longer? Just in general, what to expect. So I wanted to get into that. Before that, I do want to say that if you want to join the Cilinix Crypto Trading Signals group and receive trading signals daily, check out the links both in the description and the pinned comment. There are instructions on how to join. But for now, as you can see, we had quite a major crash. It was market-wide, had nothing to do with Jasmy. But that actually caused us to drop down quite a lot. We first had this support still between like around 0.55 cents. And we broke straight through that, right? And we dropped down all the way to this support level right here, as I said, around half a cent. But technically, it really ranges from like 0.51 to 0.49 cents. It's a strong support level, so that held us. Now the question is it strong to actually start some sort of an uptrend? And I think the answer for that is no. I think in the end, maybe technically this would be strong enough. But first of all, we haven't even touched half a cent. And second of all, I think the fundamentals in the market just do not support it right now. Bitcoin has also had quite a big crash, and Bitcoin still has a lot of resistance. And the same goes for Jasmy. I mean, the first resistance is what we're getting pretty close to right now, around 0.56 cents. Now, I'd say there's a pretty big chance that that will just find resistance here. But even if we go up further towards 0.59 cents, in the end, we're just going to find resistance, I think, at one of those two levels and respect the downtrend and drop back down to half a cent. Now, then it gets a little bit more interesting because I do think that half a cent is a very strong level. And I do think that if the fundamentals were somewhat better, or at least healthier for crypto, that this level could be enough to actually supply us with enough bullish momentum to break out of the downtrend. However, just because of the fundamentals, I do not think it's strong enough. I think it's more likely that, or we could get out of the downtrend. It's hard to say, to be honest. But for now, I think we'll just drop down there and consolidate. I do think, therefore, that it's strong enough to actually, perhaps you could say, break out of the downtrend. But with that, I don't mean an uptrend, but just that we consolidate for a little, like this. But then without the bearish drop to the downside. But I think that's possible. I mean, it's a very strong level, both right here, but also if you zoom back a little bit more, you can see that it held us during very, very bearish times in the past as well. So even with the FTX, or before the FTX crash, it held us a little bit. So we'll just have to see, all right? We'll just have to see what kind of support touches we get there. But for now, even though we're quite bullish on the very, very short term, I think we will be dropping back down to that level. And obviously, I'll keep you updated on Jasmy. But for now, that's my take on Jasmy and what I think is going to happen. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.